Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your movement on Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed name and then select Movement option. Scroll down and select the movement that you would like to delete. Tap on the three vertical dots at the bottom of your movement and then select Delete option. If you are sure, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can delete your movement on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.